Hello, fans. We're gonna be opening this Lego set, the Lego train set. It's got 73 pieces. Let's see if I can build it. So, surprising. Oh, yep. I was gonna say there's no instructions, but they are. It's good though. See, it's my first building video I'm showing to you guys. It's gonna take me a while, so I may pause from time to time. 73 pieces to build. Okay, so I'm gonna do the instructions off camera, and I'm gonna pause the video for some time. So let me find the pieces first. So we're gonna need one of these pieces. Here, Fortnite does. Okay, need 2 wheel pieces. Goes underneath. Like I said, I'm doing this off camera because as I need to see if I got the pieces right. Sorry guys, I'm just really quiet because I want to be quiet. Get this piece here. Now we're gonna need to use this piece. This one. These another. So guys, I'm building off camera. Just like that. Okay, I might pause the video.